keep asking me to do it. I'm gonna try to drink a big gulp because this is hurting my stomach.